Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to read or send a message during a Google Meets call. Now, if you're currently using your computer, the easiest way how to find this is to look towards the lower right hand side of your screen. You'll find a bunch of options. One of them look basically like a chat, and if you click in that, you'll be able to see the messages from anyone who basically sends messages, or you can even write there as well. So I'm going to type, for example, hi, right? So basically you can send messages and you can read messages from there as well. And if you're on a mobile on a Google Meet, all you have to do, if you look towards the bottom, you'll have a bunch of options. One of them should be three dots towards the lower part. That's going to be next to the hang up button. Let's say I want to end the call. So if you look at my screen here, you see these three dots, more options. It basically have a ton of options here. Now on your mobile, it will give you those three dots just as the same. So you click on those three dots and you will see the option that says in call messages, and you can click on that in call messages and basically talk within it. While on the computer, as you can see, it's a bit different. You see the chat on the lower right as well, and it just look like a chat. You can click on it and you can see the messages or write something as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.